Hey, what's going on? Aaron Chen here. Hope you are doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this website right here. It's called surveysenpai.com, and you're wondering, is this a real survey website? How does this work? Can you really make $750 cash gift cards from this website? Well, let's talk all about this, and then you can decide for yourself whether or not you want to spend some time on this website, okay? Now, if you've been on my channel and you've seen any of my videos, I review all sorts of different business models, all sorts of different make money online websites and opportunities, and some are real and some are great and some are just completely fake and some are just scams, right? And some kind of hover somewhere in the middle. So let's take a look at this website, and this is an interesting one. It says it's a survey website, but it's actually not really a survey website. This is basically somebody's website. They own it privately. And what they have here is they have basically a list of different cash app gift cards that you can get if you complete specific offers. That's kind of all it is, okay? Now, unfortunately on this website, there's no details. There's like no privacy policy, there's no terms, there's no way to get in contact with the website owner. So you just need to be a little bit careful with websites like this, because generally speaking, look, if you're gonna have a survey or a legitimate website online, you need to make sure that people know what's going on with their information, especially if you're asking them for their SMS or their phone number details and even their email details, right? There's no information here, no privacy policy, nothing, so you don't know how your data is going to be treated, right? Again, this could be a completely fake website, right? For all that you know, because it's literally just a page with nothing on it, right? So again, a couple of red flags here and there, but that doesn't necessarily mean that this is completely fake, okay? But again, just a few red flags right there, okay? Now, they basically say this list is updated every day, and the offers, the highest chance of you winning are at the top. Each survey takes about 2 minutes, okay? Which is not true, by the way, because it's not gonna take 2 minutes. And they recommend doing 2 to 4 surveys to guarantee that you get a gift card. Join the email list and get updated every few days on new Amazon price errors and surveys, etc. Okay, so pretty updated at the time of recording this video, which is great. But the thing is that it's not really a survey that you're taking, and it's not going to take 2 minutes. Okay, so let's just take a look at some of these offers, right? So first of all, just to let you know, I've reviewed tons of survey websites, tons of gift card websites, and just so that you understand how this works, and this is industry average, because I've reviewed so many of these websites, I'm very familiar with these types of offers. First of all, survey websites will never pay you $750 for filling out a survey, just so that you understand how it works. Okay, so that's the first thing. All the top survey websites in the world will pay you between 50 cents and $2 for every survey that you fill out. Okay, that's just the industry standard. Anything more than that is very rare, okay? And none of them will ever pay you in the hundreds for surveys that you fill out. It's just not the way the survey industry works. So that's the first thing, all right? So for them to say that you have to take 2 to 4 surveys to get $750 is just a completely false statement to begin with, because survey websites don't do that. The second thing that you need to understand about this website is that they're actually not asking you to fill out surveys. What they're asking you to do here is, this is actually an offer that you need to complete in order to get a gift card from these different companies right here. So it's not really a survey that you're filling out. What you're doing is, when you click on this, it goes directly to a reward website like this, all right? So depending on where you live in the world, the reward website will look slightly different, okay? Now, can you get a $750 gift card voucher from these different companies, like for example Amazon or Visa or things like that? Yes, it is possible, but you're not filling out a 2-minute survey. What you're actually doing is you are going to this specific rewards site, and in order for you to get this gift card, which is possible, you have to jump through a ton of different hoops. Okay, so before I take you through this little, I guess it is a survey, but you're not really filling out a real survey, okay? You basically have to download deals and offers. Now let me show you how this really works, okay? So if you scroll down to the bottom here, you'll see that they've got actually a lot of information on the actual program itself, right? So first of all, you have to actually download the deals, okay? So discover our partner deals such as mobile games and apps, subscription products and services. So that's important for you to understand, okay? A lot of them will require you to actually pay for the offers with your own money before you can actually get this $750 card. Okay, they're not just gonna give you 750 bucks for free. Why would they do that? That's a lot of money for them to give away. And remember, there are thousands of people that are clicking on these links, right? So Survey Senpai is probably owned by an individual. These are all of his affiliate links. And when you set up, when you kind of go through this, he gets paid by CPA. For every single action that he's getting, he gets paid a little bit of money. That's all this is. These are CPA links for this particular owner right here, okay? So for you as a consumer, as you're going through this, let me kind of show you how this works, right? So there are free trials and things like that, but a lot of them will be subscription products and services. That means that you need to pay your own money first, jump through a ton of hoops before they will actually give you the $750 card, okay? Now check this out, okay? Level 5 reward. This is basically $500 rewards or more, all right? This is what you have to do. You have to complete one level 1 deal, 1 level 2 deal, 3 level 3 deals, 5 level 4 deals, and 5 level 5 deals, okay? For the $750 reward, which is what we're talking about, okay? 1 level 1 deal, 1 level 2 deal, 3 level 3 deals, 5 level 4 deals, 10 level 5 deals, and 15 level 5 deals. Okay, so that's for the $1,000 program, but you get the idea. Now, if you click on program requirements right here, you can take your time and go through this, and you know, basically what you're gonna understand from this, and you can read all this. There's so much details on here. It's just crazy stuff, right? You have to basically do every single thing correctly, jump through all the hoops that they're talking about right here, and if you miss any of these, you're not going to get your $750 card, okay? Now, the deals that they make you jump through, there's a lot of them, and you have to keep track, and it's not gonna take 2 minutes. You see how it says here, each survey takes 2 minutes? So let's just say you take 2 to 4 surveys. Let's just say 4 surveys. That's 8 minutes, right? It's not gonna take you 8 minutes, okay? In order for you to do this, this is gonna take you hours. Because look, you literally, 1 level 1 deal, 2 level 2 deals, 3 level 3 deals, 5 level 4 deals, and 10 level 5 deals. That's a lot of deals that you have to complete. Roughly it's about 25 deals. 20 to 25 deals that you have to complete, and in order for you to do that, you have to jump through a ton of hoops. You have to download a lot of stuff. You have to enter your own credit card details in some of them. You have to purchase some things, okay, in order for them to actually give out that $750 gift card to you. All right, so it's a lot of work. It's a lot of hoops that you have to jump through, and if you don't do it exactly the way that they want you to do it, and you don't monitor everything and track everything and show it to them, you're not going to qualify for the $750 gift card, okay? So can you get the $750 gift card from this website, or the $500 gift card, or the $1,000 gift card? You can, but you have to jump through a lot of hoops. It's not going to take you 2 to 8 minutes to do. It's going to take you hours to do, and you're going to probably have to spend quite a bit of your own money before you qualify for this gift card. I hope that makes sense, okay? So it's not exactly what it says on the tin. There's a lot of red flags. Can you really get these gift cards? You can, but it's going to take you a lot of time, some money that you have to invest on your own, and lots of hoops that you have to jump through before you actually get these gift cards. So the big question is this really worth your time? Well, it really depends on who you are. You know, if you have nothing else better to do, and you don't mind spending a little bit of money, and you don't mind spending a few hours on this particular website and doing, 20 deals before you actually get a $750 gift card, then, it might be worth your time. But honestly, if you have a few hours a day to spend, I think that there are better things for you to do online for you to make this kind of income, okay? So that's kind of my review of Survey Senpai. It's not that it's not legitimate. I think that there are a few things that they say on the website that is not accurate, okay? It's not entirely true what they say. It is going to take you a bit more time. It's not 100% free, okay? Every time you see a gift card offer like this, it's not free. All offers that give you money require you generally to spend some of your own money before you can receive some of their money, all right? Unless they're giving you something like $5, okay, then it can be free. But $750 is a lot to give away on a gift card. And if they're gonna give you away that much money, you can believe it when I say that they require you to download offers on your own credit card, spend your own money, jump through a lot of hoops, and track everything before they're willing to give you away a $750 gift card. Because why would they do that? It just doesn't make sense for their business. If they're giving 1,000 of these cards away every single day, they're losing a lot of money It just doesn't make sense for them to do that, which is why you're going to have to jump through a lot of hoops before you can actually do that. And you can read this all here if you want. The program requirements about the program. It's very detailed, because now this is not the Survey Senpai website. This is actually Rewards Giant. So again, this might look slightly different for you depending on where you are in the world. When you click it, it's going to go to a different rewards website, okay? But they're all essentially structured very, very similarly, all right? So that's kind of my review of Survey Senpai. You know, for me, I think there's better ways to spend your time, especially if you're trying to make money on the internet. And if you would like to find out how I was able to do it, I would love to show you how I was able to generate multiple six figures online. This is my best strategy to generating money on the internet. And if you would like to learn how to do that, I've got a free training that you can check out. It's a free workshop. Just click the link directly in the description box below or the comment section below. And I hope you enjoyed this review of Survey Senpai today. Hope to see you on the workshop or on another video. Take care and all the best to you.